Today we're going to go ahead and estimate square roots. Our first example is to estimate the square root of 170, and in order to do so, we're going to go ahead and play something called a high-low game. This is also known as guess and check. We do know that 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So the square root of 170 must be greater than 10. We also know that 20 times 20 is equal to 400. So the square root of 170 must be between 10 and 20. My next logical guess will probably be somewhere in the middle. So we'll go ahead and try 15. 15 times 15 will give us 225. Thus narrowing it down between 10 and 15, since 170 is between 100 and 225. So I'm going to go ahead and try right in the middle of those, which is 13. 13 is going to give us 169. And we can see that that is very close to the square root of 170. But to be 100% sure, I'm just going to go ahead and try one above that, which is 14 times 14, and that'll give us 196. Now the number that we want to reach is 170, and 170 is between 169 and 196. Now the question is, which of these numbers is closer to the 170? And that's obviously the 169. So the square root of 170 is about 13. Let's go ahead and try one more. Here we have the square root of 536. We already know from the previous problem that 20 times 20 is 400. So it has to be greater than 20. 30 times 30 is equal to 900. So it has to be between 20 and 30. Remember, our goal number is to get 536. So we'll go ahead and try somewhere in the middle, which is 25. And 25 times 25 will give us 625. Narrowing it down, we could go ahead and try to find the number in between 20 and 25, since our goal is 536. And we could go ahead and bring it down to 23. 23 times 23 will give us 529, bringing us pretty close to 536. But once again, we want to be 100% sure. So we'll just go ahead and try one number above that, which is 24. And 24 times 24 will go ahead and give us 576. Our goal was 536, which is obviously between the two numbers, 529 and 576. Well, 536 is obviously closer to 529, so our final answer will be about 23.